I didn't know that my video about the Uyghurs would go viral, and I didn't make the videos about the Uyghurs for attention.
Hi guys, so I'm going to teach you guys how to get long lashes. So the first thing you need to do is grab your lash curler, and you're going to put them down and use your phone that you're using right now to search up what's happening in China, how they're getting concentration camps, throwing innocent Muslims in there, separating their families from each other.
So originally when I made that, I did it as a comedic joke, and I didn't think that I would get here. As an Afghan American and seeing my own blood back home to be suffering from the government and from the Taliban, it hurt to even find out that China is doing the same thing to their people and that the Uyghurs are also going through this. And as a Muslim, I've always faced oppression and racism, but to see that these group of people, this ethnic group, is going through much more than I could ever even imagine, I thought that this isn't right and I need to spread awareness about this. People need to talk about this because everyone's just silent. News outlets are silent. So I thought I should speak about this as a Muslim and as an Afghan. Most of it has been positive, and because of that I'm overwhelmed with happiness. There are some that still believe that what's happening in China isn't real. They think it's fake, they think it's propaganda. And it's true, it's out there. The UN has even talked about it, it's out there. And it makes me really happy to see that there are multiple groups of Uyghurs contacting me saying that my words, my voice is helping them so much, and it just makes me really happy that I'm doing something right and I should keep spreading awareness. I woke up Monday morning at 5 a.m. to see that my account was suspended, and it was right after I posted about the Uyghurs, so I thought it was very suspicious that right when I speak about it on a Chinese app that it's taken down. I will talk about it on Twitter, on Instagram, on any platform I have, even TikTok. I'm not scared of TikTok even after the suspension. I won't be scared of TikTok. If I can do it, anyone can do it. If I, a 17-year-old, can do it, a 5-year-old can even do it. Anyone of any age can do it. If they have a voice and if they have the correct mind to speak it, then they should use that voice. Anyone can do it. It's so easy to spread awareness. It has nothing to deal with age, in my opinion. I will continue to spread awareness on issues that I believe that need to be talked about. Issues like Kashmir, issues about Afghanistan, about Colombia, Venezuela, everything, about even America.
Please be aware. Please spread awareness.